bitten by snakes, dogs, not forgetting being beaten up by the brutal policemen. In the streets of Soweto, I never had the sweetness of the word mom. Across the streets, I sleep on the dirty verandas. No medication, I'm outside winter and summer, being taken as a chokora. Cause I never had the sweetness of the word mom. Across the streets, my feet and body are always drawn with blisters. I don't know what clothes will look like. I would wear wraps to cover my private parts. Cause I never had the sweetness of the word mom. I did not choose to come to the world. I did not choose to be born. But being born in this horrific world, I cry for my fate. So if you have your mom, celebrate with me. Thank you.
Thank you. I think it's something that you have to know better than anybody else. The importance of our mom. I think you talk about it better. Marco, you can take it.
I'm not going to recite the poem, but I'm just going to take over the program that was announced, the issue of the awards. First of all, let me introduce myself. I'm by the name of Majok Kelei Deng. I'm a senior 4 student here in this family. We as senior 4 have organized small tokens of gifts that we shall present to our beloved brothers and sisters and our staff at large as a family. The awards are categorized in 2 ways. I took a 20-0. So the first one is what we call the external awards. We are having people that we are going to award out of Greenbelt family. Not for what they did for Greenbelt, but for what they did for Jonglei State at large. So I'm going to read how the awards are going to be given out, and we shall begin with the external awards, and then we shall come back to the great family of Greenbelt. So our external awards will go to these beloved people that we are honoring today. The first award that we are going to give today will go to our dear beloved guest of honor of this great function. We are not giving this award to him for that we have invited him, but for what he did for the Jonglei State and South Sudan at large. We may be blind of what he's doing because we are in school, but what is the reason of being in school? Is we know what the leaders are doing outside there. So we have identified what he has done, and that's why we are awarding him. So other people don't think that it is because he has been given the chance of becoming our guest of honor. No, but for what he did outside. So our dear beloved principal, please, if you don't mind, you will come forward to the red carpet, and I will call the girl that is going to present the gift to our beloved dear guest of honor. So the girl who is going to give this gift to our guest of honor is by the names of Awul Atem. So Awul Atem, please come forward and you present the gift together with the principal of the school, and we request our dear beloved guest of honor of this great function today to come forward and receive his gift with the team that is with him. So you come through the red carpet. That is from the small token that we have organized as a great family of senior four of this great function. I request the principal to remain there so that we can hand in, and I will now request our guests of honor to join the principal in handing over other awards to the people that I will call upon. So as he's taking pics with the great family of Greenbelt, allow me to also call upon the next award that we have organized as the great family of Singapore of this year. Our award will go to the art of the function, and that is none other than our great brother from the great family, and that is none other than Ajit, who sang the great song for Greenbelt Academy. Thank you very much, and we shall hand over that will be given by Betty Ajit. So please, Betty Ajit, you also have a name that is rhyming with somebody who is receiving the gift. Wow, what a pleasure. So brother, thank you very much. I was touched by that song. And the great family of Singapore is glad for what you did for our year. Thank you very much. Thank you. And I wish you can play that song one more as the gift is coming. Thank you, brother. We really appreciate with the small that we have as a family. Now, we are done with the external gifts. Now we come to the great family of Greenbelt Academy. We love Greenbelt. Yeah. And we continue with the presiding of the awards. So as we go to Greenbelt, you can reduce that volume. The class that have well today, the class that has taught by from senior 1 and up to the class they are in. So the awards we are giving to our beloved great family of Greenbelt is not for this year, but for the entire 4 solid years that we have been with you. We have been observing and we want to appreciate with the little that we have. And our first award will go to our dear beloved Deputy Principal, that is Mrs. Dao Mwalimu. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Please come like this. Thank you so much, And this gift will be given by Amorwa. Please come and give the Deputy Principal his gift. Ajak, please join me here, very fast. Ajak, please come here and lead you. Thank you, our dear beloved principal. And Amorwal is the girl is selected to give the gift. Ajak, you are our leader. Please join Amorwal together and give Mrs. Mwalimu his gift. Thank you so much. We are really touched with what you did since from 1 up to this blood year. Thank you. We really appreciate the leader that we have.
The reason you gotta be a servant leader, you gotta be a critical thinker, you gotta be a mindful. Just don't forget my team spirit together.
So that has been first award that is going in Catholic for. Thank you, Mr. Smolemu. We are really grateful for what you did for us. And now, the next award will go to. You know, we have been studying these speakers for a long time, since Form 1. And we are working according to what we have seen. What you offer to us and what you offer to the entire family of Greenbelt. Not only the cadets of this year, but the previous years that you have been teaching in Greenbelt. And the next award will go to the heads of grade. And that is none than Usaz Nai, who is the head of grade of Singapore. Thank you so much. We are really grateful for what you have done for us. So, as he's coming, Mikey, as you see, strong gentleman, he has done a lot for us. Thank you so much. Thank you. And this gift will be given by a very beautiful young lady. That is none than Upper Jumbo. Please come and give our heads of grade his gift. Come through the red carpet and offer his gift to him. It is not much. The people who are awarding, please. It is not much, but that is what we can afford for you. We are also students, but we have to appreciate what somebody has done. So thank you so much. Yeah, we are Greenbelt, and that's why we are doing it for the family. Thank you so much, our dear head of grade of the upper section, that is Senior 4. As he's taking his pictures, the next award will go to. Wow. The next award will go to. The next award will go to the next head of grade. That is not Usaz Deng Ayuan. Being a great teacher. Thank you so much. You know, I appreciate that gentleman. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. You have brought up great scientists in Senior 4 now. Thank you. The biology teacher in Senior 4 and heads of grade of lower section. Thank you so much. The gift will be given by a young lady called Angel Pantol. Please come and give the biology teacher and the head of grade his gift. Come through the red carpet. Don't come.
This is the message for the candidates. Go, do your best. Do it for South Sudan. Go, do your best. Do it for Mom and Papa.
So the candidates can go and do your best. The teachers have done their best. It's our turn now to go and do our best. Thank you so much, Mr. Deng, for your great work that you have done and the great service you have done to Greenbelt Academy. We are not awarding you teachers for what you have done for senior four, but for the entire family of Greenbelt. So if your student is in school, we also observe what you do. But we are there also to award somebody who has done something good for you. Okay. Wow. This one now, I will call it external. Because the person who should receive this gift is not with us, but he has been our great teacher. So we are doing this in great memory of him. And this one goes to start our black teacher, Dan Samuel. Please come on stage. Thank you so much. Thank you. Dan Samuel, we are grateful for what you have done for Greenbelt. You are not with us now, but what you did for us is something great. Thank you so much. And you can see the love that you have received from the senior four. Thank you so much for the great work you have done. We remember you, and team will go out. It is a great family. Though you are not with us, you are still our family member. Thank you so much, Samuel. We are grateful for what you have done. Thank you, senior four, for showing great love to your black teacher. And the gift will be given by Onion Cry. And now please come forward and give it. You gotta be a servant leader. You gotta be a critical thinker. You gotta be a lifelong learner. Just don't forget about team spirit. Together we excel. Greenbelt is building the future. Thank you, Sasgai. You will always remain in our memory for what you have done for us. A great science teacher, and Prof, you are not with us. We remember you. Thank you. Thank you. We are one family, and we always remember ourselves. Though you are not in the school premises, we always remember you. Now, that was our guy receiving his gift, and now we are going to our great awards. We are going to 2 or 3 awards. These awards will go to Uzaz Torqual CK. CK, come and receive your award from the great family of Senior 4. Thank you so much. From the beginning of S4, that's where we met you, but we found your work as something adorable. Thank you so much. English has become very simple for us now because for you. If it was not you, who else can do it? Thank you so much, CK. And that is our third one, but we call it CK. And this gift will be given by Adumake. Please come forward and give our third one this gift. It is small, but from the bottom of our heart and senior four. That is what we can afford, and that is what we can appreciate you with. Thank you so much for the great service, and continue offering those services to the family. Thank you. Thank you. So we are Greenbelt family, and we always remember ourselves. thank you so much, Mr. School, for the great service. You have offered yourself day and night to offer the foreign language, that is English. And we are doing it to our great performance. Thank you so much. Now, we are not only awarding teachers, the entire leadership of Greenbelt Academy. Now, the great family of Singapore, can you stand up and welcome our beloved head boy? That's Mr. Majok. A word from us. Majok, thank you so much. During your campaign, you promised a lot, and one of them is what you have just stepped on. That is red carpet, and you have made it today. Thank you so much. A leader must be appreciated. That's why we are appreciating Mr. Majok today. Not only Majok, but the team that is passing with him. The side of girls, I will also appreciate about. Thank you, Benny, who have not given you anything. Thank you. Without you guys, the people body of Greenbelt, we are nothing. We are under you. So thank you so much. Mr. Majok is going to receive his gift from Atol Moyal. Atol Moyal, please come and give our head boy what you have prepared for him. All together we will excel. Be it teaching staff, be it the student leadership body. We excel. So everybody in Greenbelt is rememberable. So we remember our head boy. The small we can give you Majok a pay. Thank you for your great leadership. We are under this case today for the promise, because of the promises we made during your campaign. You promised the head campaign and we are working on it now. Your effort has been appreciated. Greenbelt. The small we are prepared for. Now, this is the next award is for our black parent and also a sponsor of some girls in Singapore. That is a parent from Project Education South Sudan. Honorable Majok, who is responsible for Project South Sudan, has been given an award or a gift from your girl. So your girl, please come forward and offer your award as a Greenbelt family. We appreciate the small we have. Thank you for educating the girl child. We appreciate the girls who are with us are under your control. And we are grateful for what you are doing, sir. Thank you so much. We cannot forget you day and night. Thank you so much, the girls under Project South Sudan, for the great gift, both in small. You should always remember somebody who is sponsoring you education. Education is something important. If somebody offers you that chance, use the chance wisely. That's why they are giving thanks to Mr. Majok today. That I'm seeing in our list today is from somebody. It's going to somebody called Apung Ayen. And it's from somebody called Apple. Apumayan, please come and receive your gift from somebody known as Apple Deng Ayen. Thank you. I'm call Abu Mayan. If he's there, please come and receive your gift from Apple Dena. So thank you to the great family of Greenbelt. Now the next program of award will be like this. If you are a parent or a student that has prepared a token for senior 4, come forward and offer it to senior 4. If there's some gift that you are supposed to give to senior 4, come forward and offer it to senior 4. Either a parent or somebody, come and offer your gift before the guests of honor. So come through the red carpet and offer your gift to senior 4. It's time for senior 4 now to receive. So any gift to senior 4 will be received by heads of grade. So that's 9. Please come and receive the gift. Wow. Ajabio, thank you so much for remembering us. Thank you so much. So, Ajak will work with the head of grade and receive the gift because you are the head of senior 4. Jack will also appreciate you. Thank you so much. This function cannot be successful without you. Ajabur, Majok, thank you so much for remembering us. We are grateful for the you have brought. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. The next award is going to Mr. Michael Kelei from his brother. So, Kelei, come and receive your award from your brother. Because you the head or the president of the day. Because you the king of the party. Grateful for you. That is Michael Kelei. His brother has called him president of the party. So he has tried by all means to offer him something. Thank you, brother. So you have given it to Kelei. We believe that it is for the entire senior 4. So we are grateful. Thank you. Now, as Kelei has received this, I will allow great alumni of senior 4 to come forward and offer what they have. So, okay, please, with the team of Conway, I will for what you have for us. So come forward. Yes. Our alumni, we are thankful for what you have done. Without you, this party is nothing. We are also grateful for the great family of senior, from senior 1 to senior 3. The contribution you made is what you are seeing today. Thank you so much.
My guests, love, brothers and sisters, parent cadets, on my own behalf and on behalf of the alumni from 2019 to 2021, we have something for you. We have something for you. So we do request all the candidates to line up here and the alumni are going to line up their side. So brothers and sisters, the current candidates here, then alumni, all of you guys stand there.
All the alumni, come and line up. Line up here. All the alumni.
It's all of the giants. Greenbelt, get up and shine. Shine bright, the world is done. Give out your light. The palace of wisdom, the best among kingdoms. Italy is across the sea. When it's all people around, what do you see? Chance of coming out. The voice of good to believe.
Smile, Jay. Dear brothers and sisters, candid, it looks small, but the gravity from which it was given is beyond this art. So accept it from the bottom of our heart. So we love you so much. We wish you success. We wish you pass away, but no, pass is like us. So we love you so much. Let's do it this. Okay, this is on behalf of alumni. We are grateful for you, and we hope this year that the alumni, the current candidates of Greenbelt Academy, they are going to make us proud once again, and they are going to add on top what we did. We are so proud of you. That is it.
Okay, we thank our brothers and sisters, the OBs and the OGs. Thank you so much for remembering us, and we also remember you. Thank you for the success, and thank you for the token that you have given us. Now, candidates, you can take your seat. Thank you, the alumni. Thank you so much. So, we can take our seats. The MC, please, you can continue with the program. That is what we have organized as the great family, and as the ghettos and the ladies of the function. The day is ours, and we must award. Thank you so much.
Thank you, the group. Thank you so much, the alumni, the group that has presented the award. Thank you so much. Right now, I want to highlight something before the guest of honor comes. That Greenbelt has sent out in the first batch about 47 students were sent out. That was the first batch of 2019. Then the second batch sent out 74. Then right now we have 109. Within the school we have projects that give some scholarship. That we have project education having 17 students within the school, of which 8 of them are candidates right now. Then Education Bridge is also another project within the school that also sponsors the students, that we have about 50 under that. And within the 50, 20 are candidates. Within the 20, 6 are girls. They are all in senior 4, 14 are boys. So we really appreciate the school. We really appreciate our parents out there. Parents like Majok Kelei Deng that God keeps you for us as you do the good work. We really appreciate and we are welcoming any other parent who has a project for us to help the students. Because you would see that sometimes our parents really need us to be educated, but we couldn't have the money. So what do? We need hope. We really appreciate you for that, and we thank you for all you are doing. All right. So right now, we are about to welcome the guest of honor. So before he comes, before we welcome the guest of honor, there's a secret that the students of Greenbelt don't know, and I think Professor Majok also doesn't know about it. There is a quick chain between Professor Majok Kelei and between Majok Kelei and the students of Greenbelt Academy. There is one person you are seeing there who was awarded. Is a student of Professor Majok Kelei. Professor Majok Kelei is an analytical chemist who has been teaching chemistry for almost 50 years, I think it is fair to say that. He now serves at Dr. John Grant Memorial University of Science and Technology as the Dean College of Science and Technology. He is the guest of honor today. So, the students of Greenbelt Academy, that gift, I think, part of it is supposed to be for, and you did it unknowingly, but part of it is supposed to be for Majok. Every time I see guys somewhere teaching in the class, I always see Professor Majok to him, because he's a chemistry student that is being taught by Professor Majok Kelei. So this time we are going to welcome the guest of honor, who is none other than Majok Kelei, also known as, according to himself, Majok Atur, and I think he likes it better. So we are going to first welcome, because we cannot manage to welcome the guest of honor. So we are going to welcome the chairman of Jonglei State Union of Private.
We may rise up to choose the honor of guest of honor to come. We quite did Yargaran Dida, Abu Chol, a chat of Bentwing, Pachira, the Peri Jadum, Ayan get the only random Jadum of a jam. Professor Majok Kelei, Interchora and it, but doing the Kokunim, but we be a word of wisdom. Welcome.
Some people would get a surprise why I'm not speaking in English. A few years back, I went to China. And I thought the people I'm meeting will be speaking English. But they started speaking Tingua, which is China, in fact. Language is called. The country you will not hear it, China, you will be called a Tingua. So they were speaking their national language. And when first I went to Britain, I thought everybody will be speaking English. But when I went to Scotland, people were speaking Gaelic. So it is not a shame, as some people think, that I will be speaking one of the national languages, which is Dinka. I don't say my mother tongue. I say one of the national languages. A Chinese will speak Tingua, an English will speak English, a Dinka will speak, or a South Sudanese will speak Dinka. Hello, Aleko. On Laran China, a Charlie, a Jamel, a Galit Katia, Jam Tongden, a Bedol. On Laran Lingleaf, go Lingleaf, go Jam Tongden, I can be Jam Tong Yen, I can a Bedol. Now walk with Yam Tonga, go out on day, you Kuyanga. Man, you know what all is on that? Some diet of that. I want to jump from here. Keep on going, jump your God. I can't go to her. I'll go to her car. Forget the gap. Can the tell the road? Who tell the took? Who called for pocket joke? Call the Atul Mo. I can't quite evaluate it. Kevaluele, and I teach you all to Kulikedia. I have what over Canon Kaloyan get a Leo John Garrett. Ran to Michachol, Asia Hanu, and Kimberlaw, and then Mama Matthew to Kulik, my lecture, 1 year at each other. Coca King's College and Kimberlaw when you are the Chalo. Coca Clan and Kimberlaw. Kuna Tempatu Ekaki, private school. It is the private sector which is building this nation. So I thank you while apologizing why I didn't come. I would have come as I have come today. By a Pembe, and I ran the canon. By a Pembe, Kiana on time, senior 4. Walk off a jungle, walk a tear to the one. Go to your chicken, Kinunko, Kuleku, walk off a chicken. Naya Kona, that's the Kunto with jungle. You join Greenbelt, and I'm in me. Say what? You get the one, just the tongue down. Get by them by you. Now I'm not going to get by a birthday. Now I'm going to school in University of Khartoum. Tell the Kayicho Madakaloy. Nimiti 10,000. Nikajunu. I can get the one to bear. Mr. Jangole, I can get your own. Bear, what I get it now, baby. Where can we Jangole back at the eat and now, baby? A good. Are you going more? We did care for the Junu. Nelwana Kwai. Abi wajan pandana jongole bi ngale be muwe ci man dia jen kapir ngeer garanda ku ye jongole ku ngeer koko ku ye jongole an ken pioda e jongole loy ke junu a tay yena dana wala Kaka balwele kako wanyir wan chakangem kangem bar wako tetene roga kemnyal anano kaka yin kwen kamitino kayin bepal ku kwene yana ka bichier diar ko na beiko wawa ka karapatai duwata ka wayik ku duwata ka nyal ana korbaniri in kwen e katachi kayin paj yana kabi wete duwan wale alke badir abadir acha yonina ayayo loy kukanya itaba loy keto anora antelele nya kuyana kake yan ma wana wan ma Majok ana wena diar kero kala ya na loy udia etik kumodia etik naira ande ka kay go ona jur ko achang turuk yana ter go ke ban ke kor bi kwat ya no go nyan ke no go war ana wena tik ana wena nyan ye chol nyan kini e chola junyangu ana de ya chol ma junga junyangu go kele jari o ma kumodi yake ni achabi nge atu achin ke jaloye na e lotio ko ken ken galam dia ken ti ken yana lele ya weka diarata wai unaye randa ya nyili ya pio kalele la an ya bar ya banyo ya bar bi ko der ya ne bi ya lel ku ci lui bi panden bilar nyal rana tiaka nyana winde won eto anga koi ke mo nyarwo na ewan Chiwuno go nyarwe mben kulela bare abula mu yen ka benara ne konta go denga malwala ben go len denga ben aya be go nyane ben go ba de bu kwan kire weka don ka lele waya be riat ka wa pio den ka bi wa yu nyir ka ban Naya koko ma dia kana diora ke bajo ache ma tio done Wallaran primary 4 enya to ko ke to sukuli ko in ko enya ne het teacher jalka tonga na jalni jalka lora kaito ka yima jungda ye ka ye scholarship ke tier ko doro baye ben baye jalka tonga ta de non anang ran ja berjo ko ye me ka pingalo ana depute amano a che kir nyen cha ngong en wa banye panda a che ka diang che jwake kanera ne to kan adal usas eto e pe jale din wa fio ko eto e yukutel adal usas kwa adal usas yana ka di cho iran adal usas mana kuchigum amana le jupio kabia ekena yinen e yilo erien ka dupio acherien tan ka benene anto dupio ke tier ka junub kelu in education for 50 years ko wana ka mi arota ka nyeke ke ko chiegon wetu wamit gu markon kana wurkona janjaro yibe bay sada non kucin wona wuri ka ke ko le wacem nyi lana tona ayi ko tar yana kay ran ci karare yana te kon le gortu ko wala ran don nyi kar be kar apet yana ka bi wetu na domu e number 1 ke ko le wacem chule kunae kichani mbro is tendom achirandon kat ke we cham nyinya kole baye benbe don ko dewoni akoko ko kia anakene janjara kene wale deta rete ka u kede anone kichunden ancha belwele ye chuni jormo chunden yo worti ni tiom no ku jal ko achiera wor ci berni kana tiom even at the time I was sitting my senior 4 see the jokes no ranto su unit manager chon mayane lwer go jat go turko malakal ko take ko ne lambatine go mayan go lwele la majunga wabila kwanyetin golele yekango golele ka beneka majoko nyala ku buwo ko jala welke kule ku buwo ko yi ku jel ko kon loinga e wayi we ko jam en yar ke bane biya ko wapio ko tien ko la kwanya malakal ku kon ko manda ku we ko ko ku kon ko tin e pene tie ko ro ko ta ka yakon ko ta jani teman bi woni ci pen dia ke pani tier ko bi gomme yanda ko lele leya dorke akene ya de na di donc ko malta bay ko ana yikute arwoti kayi yo kali rindo pa bala classic bala ko loy gede again yang amane we adaka gam ka tej pinye na yang awe kadol martaba de kubaru otan kubiyena yo kali riawatena loy kan yin biambe wetin yale ko kon be farwell beloy epene ko wonu ci pen bo ete jalwela an be ben ala ti ba ben ku don ke be den wana ben be tej bi ko be den wana ben